Yesterday we were doing, that application of derivatives. In that application of derivatives we were doing, after finishing tangents and normals, we started rate measure. We were doing important problems of rate measure, volume, area of the surface area of spherical sphere, which are spherical in shape, circle also we did, and we did, apart from that sphere, what is the thing we did it? I will just tell you some important problems. Yes, about spheres we did. Afterwards, also we did volume of a cube and surface area of a cube also we did it. Today we shall go for some rectangle. Very important problem we take, and we shall try to finish, if possible we shall try to finish today the rate measure. Okay, and all these problems, what I am going to do now also, what I have done also, it is 5 marks question for you. Now you take this. Yesterday we did volume of cube is increasing and all those things. Now you take very important problem. I think they have asked some 2017 and 2018 also they have asked. The length, take down the length x of a rectangle, the length x of a rectangle the length x of a rectangle is decreasing, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of decreasing. Note, this underline ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, is decreasing at the rate of the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. 3 centimeter per minute is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute, and the width is width y ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಂತ್ x width y is increasing, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, is increasing, y is width y is increasing at the rate of this is 3 centimeter per second, and it is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. 2 centimeter per minute. Next, when x equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of okay, A, the perimeter and B, the area of B is the area of rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle ಒಂದು, area of a rectangle ಒಂದು. Both he wants rate of change of perimeter and the area of a rectangle. Okay, I read out again, read the problem again. Yes, here the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 10 centimeter, increasing ಇದು decreasing, and y is equal to 6 centimeter, x is 10 centimeter. Find the rate of change of A, the perimeter, and B, the area of rectangle. Very, very important question for examination. I told you 2 times they have asked, 2017 and 2018 also they have asked. Here, area of rectangle. If x is the length, y is the width of a rectangle. What is area of a rectangle? xy. xy is the area of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? I have given 2 into x plus y. So x is the length he has given. Y is the width. Here it is given x. Y is the width also he has given. Okay, and y decreasing and the width y is increasing. And one more thing also I told you, increasing under plus you should take, decreasing under minus you should take. I gave you the rate measure itself. Whenever it is increasing, rate of increase under plus, rate of decrease under minus. Now they have what all the given things you should write out. Write the given things first. What are the given things? X, length of a rectangle is given. X is length of rectangle is, what is that? X is given 10 centimeter. He has given there 10 centimeter. Y is given width of the rectangle. Y is the width of rectangle is given. Y is 6 centimeter. So length kottidare X, length of rectangle 10 centimeter. Y is the width, write down correctly, width of the rectangle is given 10 centimeter. Apart from it, the length X of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. Also given dx by dt. It is always with respect to time I said, dx by dt decreasing at the kottidare, you should take negative sign. Minus 3 centimeter per minute. Illi iduvarku we have not taken that decreasing. Here it is important, it is decreasing, we should take minus 3 centimeter per minute. This is decreasing. Next, this is decreasing and the width y is increasing at the take down the dy by dt. When width is increasing, the dy by dt is given as y is equal to 6 centimeter and y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So dy by dt is 2, dx by dt is minus 3 centimeter. Decreasing minus 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, increasing ಏನು mention ಮಾಡಿದರೆ it is plus, increasing ಆದರೆ it is plus. It is understood. Simply if you write 2 centimeter per minute, it is increasing. But decreasing ಗೆ minus sign ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is asking is find the rate of change of perimeter. To write down here, to find out dp by dt. P is the perimeter and the dp by dt is how much, and the area of the rectangle is how much, dA by dt is how much. So dA by dt is to dp by dt you have to find out. Again x, y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, length, width, and rate of change of that also is given. Width, length is increasing at the rate of decreasing and width is increasing. Plus idu minus togole. You have to find out dp by dt, dA by dt. Now we shall go for perimeter. Perimeter, you know, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? I will do it here. P, I am doing it here. P is perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter, you know, of a rectangle? Anybody tell me? Is 2 into x plus y. A rectangle is there like this. This is your x, this is your y, this is width and this is the length. 2 into x plus x, y plus y. Perimeter is 2 into x plus y. So P is equal to 2 into x plus y. Differentiate with respect to t. We have to differentiate with respect to t. I am differentiating with respect to t. Then it becomes dp by dt is equal to 2 is a constant as this. X ke 1 into dx by dt plus, again it is an implicit function, we are differentiating everything with respect to t, dx by dt and y ke 1 into dy by dt. Understood? This is a very important one. We are differentiating with respect to t, dp by dt, that is 2 into 1 into dx by dt plus y also 1 into dy by dt. Now it is very easy. You have to find out dp by dt. dx by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ minus 3. dy by dt is also given 2 and this is 2 is already there. Now dp by dt is equal to 2 into 1 into dx by dt. dx by dt is given minus 3 ne ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. That is very important. You should not take plus 3 because it is decreasing. So dx by dt minus 3 and dy by dt plus 2. That is 2 into minus 1 or it is minus 2 centimeter. Perimeter is always per minute, second and third body. minute ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ minute 2 centimeter per minute. Minus, you must show minus, and you should say that perimeter is decreasing. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? Perimeter is decreasing. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು rate of change ಅಂತ, whether it is increase or decrease ನೀವೇ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು decreasing. You should write, very important, at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per minute ಅಂತ. You should, very important thing. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 you must show, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So perimeter is decreasing at the rate of change of perimeter, you know, it is minus 2 centimeter per minute. Now come to the area. Area is xy, you know, rectangle area is xy, this is x, that is y, x into y. Now differentiate with respect to t. This is the very important thing. Differentiate with respect to t is there. dA by dt is here. You should be very careful because you have to adopt product rule. This is one function, this is one function. This into d by dx of this plus this into d by dx of this. That is x into dy by dt plus x into 1 into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ I have seen many students commit mistake. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ 1 dy by dt and y ಅಷ್ಟೇ 1 into dy by dt ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. That is wrong because product rule you have to apply this function into dy by dt of this plus this function into dx by dt of that. You should write product rule, very very important step. You write down, very important step. dA by dt is equal to, you know, x is there. X is, they are given 10 centimeter. 10 into dy by dt. dy by dt is 2 centimeter plus all substitution, that's all. Y is 6 into y 6 into, here very important, dx by dt ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ minus 3 ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. We should take minus 3. Or it is 20 minus 18, or it is 2 centimeters plus 20 minus 18 is plus, it is 2 centimeters square per second. So you should write area is increasing because plus ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Area is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters square per second. Box it. Box this. Here also box this. See, it's a peculiar problem. Perimeter is decreasing, area is increasing. Area of the rectangle is increasing, whereas the perimeter is decreasing. I will explain whole problem again. X is rectangle, length of rectangle, y is the width. They are given x is 10 centimeter, y is 6 centimeter. Also given length of a rectangle is decreasing. Andre dx by dt minus 3 centimeter per minute ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dy by dt width is increasing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Take down plus 2 centimeter. ಆಮೇಲೆ perimeter formula, you know, 2 into x plus y, differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ here and substitute dx by dt dy by dt, you get minus 2 centimeter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ centimeter per second ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ centimeter square per second ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So here it is decreasing. You come to this xy area, when you differentiate this product rule you have to apply here. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus 1 to 2 centimeter square per second. Area is increasing. Final answer what you should write is area is increasing 2 centimeter square per second and perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Sorry, if you are writing second, it is wrong. Not second, minute. What they given, you should say it is at the rate of minute ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Minute. If they give second, you write that second. Minute. You change this, that is minute. Okay, understood. One more problem of this type we should take. Very important problem we should take because this is expected problem in the examination. Okay, now what I am going to do is I will just change the figures here. Sir, please take down. Same thing, the length. What is the problem? The length. X of a second problem we are taking. Length x of a rectangle is copy decreasing at the rate of, I will change this, is decreasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. Instead of 3, you please take 4 centimeter per minute. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. D, this is x of a rectangle is decreasing. I'll put a 3 into it is, you make it as 4, it is, I don't know, see, is 5 centimeter. You make it not 4, is 5 centimeter. Length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, not 3, 5. Then, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Too bad, you make it 4 centimeter. Okay. Now I have changed. It is decreasing, length decreasing, and the width is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x equal to 8 centimeter, yes, this you change it. X is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Why they have given again 6 centimeter, only keep the same thing. Find the rate of change of perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Understood? Now we are changing the figures and we shall try to work out. The length x of a rectangle decreasing in the rate of 5 centimeter, width of the y is increasing in the rate of 4 centimeter, then x equal to 8 meters centimeter. We take now centimeter, y is 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of perimeter as well as here. Here given x is equal to length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is given 8 centimeter. Make it 8 centimeter. X is 8 centimeter. Just I am making corrections here, sir. X is 8 centimeter, not 8 centimeter. What is x? The length x of a rectangle, not 8 centimeter. So here it is correct. X is 8 centimeter, sir. X is 8 centimeter. Y is width of the rectangle. That is also 6 centimeter. We have written y is equal to 6 centimeter. Here it changes dx by dt. The length x of a rectangle decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter. 3 beta 5 minus 1. Dx by dt is, I suppose you have understood. Dx by dt is minus 5 centimeter and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter. It is plus 4 centimeter. Increasing at the and he is asking to find out what is the rate of change of perimeter dp by dt is to da by dt is to. So these are the things they are asking. da by dt is to dp by dt is to. Okay. Now we take this problem, write down x and put it y and put it dx by dt and put it dy by dt and put it. Now what are the things to find out dp by dt, da by dt? These are the things you have to find out. Now, same thing, we copy this. Perimeter is 2 into x plus y. Differentiate 2 into 1 dx by dt, dy by dt. Only you have to substitute, change the things here. Dx by dt and dy by dt and you have to change it, that's all. 2 into, this is these steps, please copy it as it is. Here, dx by dt is given minus 5. Dx by dt is minus 5 and dy by dt is given as plus 4. This is 4. So again it becomes minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and this is 10. Again it is perimeter is decreasing at the rate of minus 2 centimeter. I hope all of you have followed. Understood? It is minus 2 centimeter per minute. Same thing, 2 into x plus y, differentiated. Only thing is I have changed the dx by dt and dy by dt I have changed and it is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Now come to A is equal to area, he is asking xy, area is xy, dA by dt is equal to x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. I told you it's a product rule, or dA by dt is x. What is x? X is 8 centimeter. 8 into dy by dt is minus 5. No, sorry, dy by dt is plus 4. 8 into 4 plus y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ y is 6 into 6 into dx by dt minus 5. Now it is 32 minus 30, it is again 2 centimeters square per minute. Here also same thing, 2 centimeters square per unit, same problems, same area is increasing, this is your dA by dt, write down area is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters square per minute. That's all. 2 centimeters square per minute. That's all. The thing here. So same thing. You 2 centimeter. Previous problem karana, but though figure changes, again 2 centimeters square, 2 centimeters square. Okay. One more problem. You can take it in the house and try. Copy the same problem. The length x of the rectangle is decreasing at the rate of, you can take at the rate of 6 centimeter per minute. You can take now 6 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. You change this. This is decreasing, dx by dt is minus 6, dy by dt is plus 5, and when x equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 8 centimeter, when x equal to 10 centimeter, y is equal to 8 centimeter, find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Please take the problem. Find the rate of change of the perimeter as well as the area of the rectangle. Very, very important problem. I have solved 3 problems. I solved one of them will be there in the examination. Please try that. Okay. What I have given, I have changed the figures, and we shall take little different problem. And I told you, as far as possible today, we should try to finish the important volume problem is important, sphere problem. And volume of cube, surface area of cube is also important problem for examination. Important, I think they have asked right now, very, very important problem. They have asked very recently in 2000, I think this year also, they must have asked this question. They must have asked 2019. I remember 2020 also they have asked. Take down. Sand is pouring, right now, pouring. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Sand is pouring at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Okay. The falling of sand, write down the falling of sand. The falling of sand. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling of sand forms a cone. Forms a cone on the ground. Forms a cone on the ground such that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base, is always 1/6, very important, 1/6 of the radius of the base is always 1/6 of the radius of the base, okay, of radius of the base, how fast, write down, how fast the height of the sand, how fast the height of the sand is increasing when the height is when the height is 4 centimeter. So the problem note ready. It's a big problem, and don't leave it. Very easy. 3-4 steps you can do it. Very easily you can score 5 marks. It's a 5-mark question. It's a 5-mark question. Don't leave the question in term. You know, you do it as if you are somewhere at the Kumarbadi. It is very easy question, and don't get panic. Now, so sand is pouring. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. This is a clue for you. 12 centimeter cube per second andre dV by dt volume anta. If it is centimeter square per second andre it is area. Now it is given that dV by dt, sand is pouring from a pipe. See, like this. It is some pipe is there. They are pouring like this. And this will become like this. It becomes the cone. Cone, you know how to conical Pascal the cone, and how do you know? Or you can also write like this. This becomes the pipe in the it becomes a cone. That is what they are telling. Sand is pouring through this pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. That is dV by dt is given, and the falling of a sand forms a cone. ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಎಸೆದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮರಳು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮರಳು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಮರಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಮರಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಫುಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So they put like this. So that is forms a cone on the ground such that the height of the cone, very important, the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. This radius is like radius. This is your h. This is your radius. This radius, so height 1/6 of the radius. That is what they have given. This height in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. You forget this picture. In the body, you take this picture. Take this picture. Okay, it forms a cone of like this, and this is your height, and this is your radius. How fast the height of the sand is increasing? That means dH by dt S2 when height is 4 centimeter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 centimeter sand ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗ how fast the height is increasing, that is what they are doing. Please take this figure. It forms a cone andre. Then you need not show it in exam for your understanding. I am writing. Now what is given is sand is pouring from a pipe at a rate of 12 centimeter andre write down given ಏನೇನು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dV by dt ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. dV by dt is 12 centimeter cube per second. That is one thing. Next, from a sand forms a cone on the land ground such that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. Andre height andre h is 1/6 of the radius. Athava h is equal to r by 6. This is another important thing. What they given is height is always 1/6 andre 1/6 of radius, or h is equal to r by 6, or r is equal to 6h. So these are the another thing important. Given that dV by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, h is equal to 1/6 or cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ r is equal to 6h. What is he asking? How fast the height of the sand is increasing? Andre dH by dt ಎಷ್ಟು when the height is 4 centimeter. Height is also given 4 centimeter. H is 4 centimeter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, dV by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, and also r is 6h because height is 1/6 or is equal to 6h. What is he asking to find out is what, let's see here, how fast the height of the sand is increasing. Andre dH by dt is how much? This is equal. What is given? What are the things I have given? I have written dB by dt. H is R by 6 or R is equal to 6H. H is given. He is asking to find out. You should analyze the problem because this problem is very, very important. 3 steps you can get 5 marks. dH by dt. Now what is the thing you should take? Which volume ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Whether it is sphere, whether it is circle, what you should take? You should take cone. Volume of the cone. What is volume of the cone? V is equal to, the formula is there I given you. What is volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h. Yesterday I gave you the beginning itself. Volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Illen madbeku. Very important. V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ r ಇದೆ h ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ r ಗೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 6h ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ r ಗೆ 6h substitute because it should be in terms of 1 either in h or in r but you want dH by dt ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ convert this r also into h. Now you write r is equal to 6h, v is equal to 1/3 pi into r ಗೆ 6h ಇದೆ 6h whole square. I suppose you have followed. V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. R game because h is equal to 1/6 of radius r is 6h. We have substituted. Next, V is equal to 1/3 pi into 36 h square into h. Nodi, this is 6 square. 36 h square h square. R it is V is equal to 1/3 pi 36 h cube. It is 36 h cube. Understood? Pi is here ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ 1/3 pi into 36 h cube. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You should differentiate with respect to dV by dt because dV by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, h ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. You have to find out dH by dt. So that is all what you have to find out. I am going to write it here. V is equal to, here it is there. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ you can cancel 3 6 3 12s are 12 pi h cube. It is 12 pi h cube. Understood how? It is 3 12s are 6 36 square 3 12s are 12 pi pi ನಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 12 pi h cube. Now differentiate with respect to t. When you differentiate dV by dt, 12 pi is a constant, keep as it is, into h cube differentiation ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 3h square into dH by dt. That is very important because it is the implicit function. When you are differentiating h variable, you should write 3h square into dH by dt. Very easy. dV by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, h ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, h is 4 cm. You have to find out this part. dH by dt. You will do that, you will get easily 5 marks. So dV by dt is given 12 is equal to 12 pi into 3 into h square. H is given there. When height is 4 cm ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 4 square into dH by dt. Or it is 12 divided by 12 pi into this 12 pi into 3 into 12. So sorry, 4 square it is 16 is equal to dH by dt. Understood? dH by dt is 12 by 12 pi into 3 into 4 square 16. 12 12 cancel ಮಾಡಿ 16 3s are 48. 1 by 48 pi. Pi what you should write centimeter per second. Pi get 22 by 7 ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ. You keep centimeter per second. Very very important problem for examination. So you write that height is increasing at the rate of 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Height is increasing at the rate of 1 by 48 pi centimeter 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Pi ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು, pi substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. I will explain this again. It's a very important problem for examination. Sand is pouring from the pipe at the rate of 10 centimeter cube second and then dV by dt. Forms a cone. Cone is like this, I told you, such that the height is 160 radius. This is very important. So from this you can find out R. R is 6 inch. Afterwards, find how fast the height of the sand is increasing. dH by dt is there when the height is 4 centimeter. Use the formula V is equal to, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, 1/3 pi r square h. R ಕೂಡ h ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. You have substituted, work it out, and you got V is equal to 12 pi h cube. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ dV by dt, 12 pi is a constant, 3h square dH by dt, dH by dt ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, find out 1/48 pi c. And this is a very important problem, and I think you will easily score 5 marks. This question has been asked twice or thrice in the exam. Don't leave this question. They ask a particle. Please take this problem, very important problem. This question has not been asked. Now they may ask you, a particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points. A little different problem, but not difficult. Find the points on the curve. At which a particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing. Y coordinate is changing, and y coordinate changing 8 times as fast as 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Very important question, and this question has not been asked last. Very tricky question, very easy question also. A particle moves along the curve. This is the curve they have given. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve, a particular curve alli, at which one more condition is given. Y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Right? Y coordinate change, you know point andre x y ಎರಡು coordinate ಇರ್ತದೆ. Now they are asking y coordinate is changing 8 times x coordinate. So you have to find out the points. That points andre x y ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. That is the points. Now this is very easy. See what is the given. Given ನೋಡಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Given ಏನೇನೋ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Given y is equal 6y is equal to x cube plus 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Given is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, and also given at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Andre artha eno? Given is dy by dt with respect y coordinate is changing with respect to the time. Dy by dt is changing 8 times dx by dt. This is what then. This is 1 mark for this. Write this. Dy by dt. Not write that y is equal to 8 times x along. Rate and the rate is always dy by dt. Y coordinate is changing at the rate of 8 times the x coordinate. Now take this 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, differentiate with respect to t. When you differentiate with respect to t, you get 6 into dy by dt, 6 into 1 into dy by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. When you differentiate this, 3x square dx by dt. See here, 6 into differentiate dy by dt, 3x square into dx by dt. This is constant 0. But given that dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ dy by dt ಗೆ 8 times dx by dt you have to substitute, because you write that because of this 6 into 8 into dx by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. Understood what I am doing? We have differentiated this one, and dy by dt is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y coordinate is changing at the rate of 8 times ಅಂತ, so you are substituting dy by dt is 8 dx by dt and 3x square into dx by dt. dx by dt can be cancelled. 6 8 are 48 is equal to 3x square. ನೋಡಿ x is a ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, and 48 by 3 is 16 is equal to x square. Understood? x square ಹೇಗೆ 3 divide that, and 16 is equal to x square. When x square is equal to 16, you know x is equal to ಏನಪ್ಪ plus or minus 4, square root of 16 plus or minus 4. So ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೂ y ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. You have to find out y. ಒಂದು x equal to 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, find out y. x equal to minus 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, another y. 2 points are there. That is what they are asking. Find the points. What they are asking is find the points on the curve. So now you take, you follow this differentiation ಮಾಡಿ y we have substituted dx by dt because it is given 8 times dx by dt ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now x equal to 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2, or 6y is equal to 16. 4 cube ಅಂದರೆ 64, 64 plus 2 66, 64 plus 2. y is equal to 66 by 6 11. So one point is what? One point is 4 comma 11. ಒಂದು x or y coordinate 11. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ, minus 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. You take, I am doing it here itself. x equal to minus 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x equal to minus 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6y is equal to x cube plus 2, or 6y is equal to minus 4 cube here plus 2, minus 4 cube plus 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 6y is equal to minus 64, minus raised to the power of odd is minus, minus raised to the power of even is plus, minus 64 plus 2, or 6y is equal to minus 62, y is equal to minus 62 by 6, or y is equal to minus 31, sorry, yes, 2 3s are, 2 3 1s are, minus 31 by 3. So another point is, 2 points are there, another point is minus 31 by, sorry, another point is x ಏನಿದೆ, x minus 4 minus 31 by 3. This is one point. This is 4 ಇದ್ರೆ 4 11. Another point is minus 4 minus 31 by 3. Understood? That is the curve. Differentiate. ಇಲ್ಲಿ one more term is given. dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt. dx by dt cancel ಮಾಡಿ x value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 x value ಬರೋದನ್ನ substitute ಮಾಡಿ find the value of. Very important problem for examination. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ this question has not been asked so far. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, and you can easily score 5 mark question it is. I will also give you hint, try to do it, otherwise next class tomorrow we shall solve this problem and then we shall go ahead with the problem, because I don't know, we get time, I just see, go for this because it's a big problem. See, some commercial problems are also giving, but board has said not to ask commercial problem. So far in the examination they have not asked commercial problems, but you must also know how to solve commercial because it is given in your textbook. But board has said that only problems relating to mathematics you give, not commercial problems. But ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು that problem is given in your book. One problem you can take, the cost Cx. The cost Cx is, it is commerce problem is actually, the cost Cx in rupees associated with associated with the production of X units associated with production of X units is given by, it's a commerce problem, one seri nodkondu hogiri, commerce problem kelbaardu anta ide, but still we cannot say yaara question paper set madari ee question ittu anta kelbitre kashta, just see and go. The cos Cx in rupees is associated with production of X units given by C of X is equal to 0.005 x cube, 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 15x plus 15x plus 4000 plus 4000. C of x is 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Okay, 4000. Find the marginal cost. Find the marginal cost. Find the marginal cost when 3 units are manufactured. When 3 units are manufactured. When 3 units are manufactured. Okay. So it is given by 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square, then plus 30x. So you can change this plus 30x. It is given plus 30x plus 5000. Plus 5, please change it, 0.5 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 5000, and find the marginal cost when 3 units are manufactured. I told you this will be the last problem, and tomorrow we shall continue. And here I just give you the brief. This particular thing is a commerce problem. It is a commerce problem actually. Marginal cost to marginal revenue is commerce problem. Commerce science but it is in your book. I am solving it. 90% they may not ask, but it is not certain. They should not ask ante enilla. Marginal revenue is marginal cost is just differentiate this function. D by dx of Cx. Differentiate, then when x equal to 3 units, you know 1 unit get, x unit get, 3 units, put x equal to 3, you get the answer. So you write that marginal MC and the marginal cost. Marginal cost is nothing but d by dx of C of x. That means differentiate this d by dx of this particular thing. That is when you differentiate here 0.005 into 3x square, when you differentiate this x to 3x square minus 0.02 into 2x plus 30 into 1 plus 0. When you differentiate this is 3x square, 2x, 30 into 1 plus 0. Or it is MC, marginal cost for x units. X units is multiply 3 into 0, 15. How much actually? 0.015, 3 by the 15, 3 are there, 0.05 x square. Now, minus 0.04 x plus 30. This is your marginal cost for x units. But he wants marginal cost for 3 units. So, MC for 3 units. Andre x ile kadege 3 hakodi. 0.015 into 3 square. X ile because 7 units kadre 7 haki. X ile kadege 7 haki. Minus 0.04 into 3 plus 30. That is 3 into 3, 9 actually. 3 square and 9. No? So 15 into 9, 135.135 actually. It is 9. 15 into 9, 135 minus 0.4 into 3, 0.12 plus 30. Add this 30.135 minus 0.12 or it is 30.135 minus 0.12 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so this is 1, this is 0, 1, okay, and this is 30.015 3 ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇರಬಾರದು, you have to keep it in 2 digit. ಇದು 5 ಅಥವಾ 5 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ you can add 1 to here, you can keep the answer 30.02. so marginal cost you can write approximation ಆಗಬೇಕು. marginal cost for 3 units is rupees 30.0. ಯಾಕೆ 2 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು 3ನೇದು 5 ಅಥವಾ 5 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ 1. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30.02. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, and we shall continue tomorrow next class. We'll do some more.